Hey, what's up? This is Anthony with Van Hard Basura Removal. Here located in Grand Rapids, Michigan. 616-726-3334 if you need anything junk removed. Today's a little different video. People got junk, but I'll show you where the junk's at. So today I'm actually going to do some power washing on the fence. I did that one right there just to get the machine running. So I'm power washing the fence.
When you call me, is it gonna go? I hear it running through my blood.
Hey, what's up, y'all? I just got done with this job. I just did it power washing for the fence. So it took a while, but I'm gonna show you what's up. Hey, so you seen what I did? You shouldn't get in your house looking nice or something, or you're looking to sell, you might want to make it look better. Give me a call. See what I do with the phone sale. 616-726-3334. This is Anthony with Van Hard Basura. We are now doing power washing. We do junk removal, but now power washing is on the list.